Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil and today we are getting ready to go cutting winter barley. But before we can do a whole lot, we have to replace the auger. So this is the auger that me father Phil picked up this morning.
From John Manners in Northumberland.
And it is white. Yes. It'll be a very unusual combine.
You can see it in the dark.
So this is a replacement, an auger that was on a combine that had been replaced.
I would imagine it was one that was replaced. This is very little, there's nothing, there's no wear in it.
Yeah, and it's very free. Like, look,
Paint has barely gone off it in there.
Yeah, and look
Warm and everything.
look how tight it is and everything. It's like
That's just like
fierce. It's pretty much new.
I say about it was replaced with the combine. The combine got scrapped a few years later. It done very little.
So it's going to do our job perfect.
So wear out what we have.
Yeah. So Robert's working away there and getting that one off. But anyways, I'm not on that job. I'm on the cleaning crew as we're getting the calf shed cleaned out, getting ready for putting in straw and getting all in front of the grain shed and that washed. Both grain sheds are washed now, so we'll get a few updates from them. I'll go back to what I'm at and
lastminute.com.
as always. Wouldn't be it'd be something wrong if it wasn't last minute.
We run like a factory. Everything arrives just in time.
Yeah. So anyways,
Sometimes.
oh, we'll get cutting by the end of this video anyways. So I'll go back to what I'm at, leave them to, and we'll get a few updates as we go along. So we're well underway here. Uncle Ian's just finishing cleaning out there, and bro just has the shed washed out. So now we wash everything the whole way around the passageway, down in front of the sheds and down to the reception pit to give us a full clean area for tipping grain. And here's the hard man, hard at it. Not over happy that we keep adding on bits to be washed. But anyways, I do that job and I let bro do the power washing.
Oh, your flashback. Something like that.
So that's the inside. Any damage done on that? No?
No.
All looks good.
We'll just grease up that joint, that's all now.
Yeah.
And it's not the early February I cut barley with the 5th July.
So ready for the grease that and ready for the new auger to go on.
I just give that a bit of a scrape down when you just turn on the lash and that, and we'll have to grease the turntable and other auger before it goes up,
Yeah.
because it could be potentially a problem.
So how's it going now?
Oh, fantastic.
Lined up fairly good.
Oh yeah, perfect. We leave it white looking, a bit of a contrast.
And everyone will know whose combine it is.
It looks real good with the paw prints on it, you know.
It's down now where it should be, because the one for the last couple of seasons was sticking out a little bit. And that's where the crease was coming in it.
So I just tighten them bolts and that's it.
Tighten them bolts, put in that ram, and I put a stay to it, and happy days.
So we're just in the belly of the beast. It's very big, so it is. But we have to clean off the sieves and the riddles like this. So you can see there where the mons are stuck. Need to get all that cleaned up. So yeah, we're nearly ready to go. The auger is on, they're just tightening it up. And combine, we're just after fully greasing it. And yeah, that's really it. Bit of a blowdown and we're ready to start cutting. Anyways, I got to get all this stuff off these riddles and everything all the way up. So it's going to take me a minute. Huh. Be the Jesus, bro. No one needs to help you at all. Look at him. Savage lad. Great job done, bro.
That's all you're getting out of me today.
But yeah, if you don't do it now, you have to do it tomorrow.
I'm not doing it, listen, this is
You do, because we're cutting tomorrow, all day tomorrow.
You're not cutting tomorrow.
We are,
Why
actually.
you doing f***ing Sunday?
Because we need to get cut. So you're gonna have to keep going.
I'm not keeping going. I can't keep going.
You have to. You do a good. That's fine. You can go after tea time. That's a good job, bro. So now all you have to do is do this round the corner, up to the dung pit, round the corner, and to the step.
Down to where?
To the step. So when you're doing down here,
You mean just to that step?
what you do when you're power washing this, you keep power washing it that way, and it'll catch in the drains for the dung pit, and it'll go off that way. So you power wash everything that way. Don't power wash it that way. Power wash it that way. Okay. So Father Phil's just washing the rads in the combine, and that's it. We're ready to go then. But I don't know, will I be getting any footage? Bro might get some drone footage for me maybe, because me and Liv are going off because she's after buying another pup. After buying our puppy. So yeah, that happened, bro. We bought a pup, so we have to go pick that up. So I won't be here for the evening's activity, but tomorrow we will be hooking up the big square baler, and we will be going making some bales, as well as getting all the fields of the house cut, 30 something acres. That's the plan. So anyways, yeah, I think that could be it from me for today. So bro, I'll leave bro in charge of cameras and stuff, and he can get some videos, and we will pick it up tomorrow, and hopefully they'll have a couple of acres cut this evening, and yeah, all will be good. But I can't blame him. Doing a good job there, no?